All right, here's where we're at so far. Lift cylinder is right here. I've rebuilt this thing a bunch of times. This is the rod for it. It's all pitted. I purchased a camera lens. Put that up there. Purchased a cylinder, a new old stock with the same bore, longer stroke, same rod. I'm going to cut that rod down to length, cut this end off, weld this original end on this brand new rod, and shove it back into that cylinder. Alright, here's where this is at. Should we get the whole thing? There's both rods. Different rod ends and different lengths. Different end caps. Everything here is close. There's a line there and there. Close enough. So we'll cut that off, weld that on there. Golden. Alright, here's where we're at. Alright, over, yeah. Yep, zip that off and cut that off of there, weld it onto there. I gotta wait for that to cool and put it back together. Turned out okay, I don't know, but close enough, good enough for this guy. Alright, the newly rebuilt cylinder back on. They work. Nope. See, the stop, I run it the whole way down, is right there. About a finger. Yeah, close enough. That rod's black. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me. I got the fan and the stove on, burn your face off. Take the chill off. And this one, that one quits. Yep, about a finger. It goes up about the same height too.